Hey there. Most real estate investors start out investing in small single family homes, but maybe you're ready to level up to multifamily properties. Not sure how to do it? Seems daunting or downright impossible? Don't worry, you can make the move from single family to multifamily. In this video, you'll learn the advantages and disadvantages of each type, why it's important to understand how properties are valued, and two methods you might use to make the move from single family to multifamily. First, let's talk about the advantages of owning single family. With single family, it's easy to get financing with a low down payment and a bank loan, or you could get private financing or even use 100% cash. Another advantage is your exit options. You could sell it at retail. You could do a lease to own deal. You could sell it to an investor, or you could hold it and rent it out. So, what might be some disadvantages of owning single family investment properties? Well, the more roofs you own, the greater likelihood of needing to replace one or more of those roofs. Also, more water heaters, air conditioning systems, more basements, more attics. That's why capital expenditures or CapEx can be pretty high. In addition, each property carries its own insurance, tenant leases, warranties, taxes, management fees, plus you must maintain bookkeeping for each property. This can get out of hand really quickly, especially if you're not super organized. If you want to expand your investment strategy with single family, there's a couple of little known issues that could prevent you from really reaching the next level. For one, there's a cap of 10 conventional loans a single person can have on their credit. The other issue is that the value of your property is determined by the value of your neighbor's property. You can raise the rent and reduce expenses, but that doesn't change the value of your single family property. So now let's discuss the advantages of owning multifamily. One big difference is that multifamily real estate deal can achieve multiple units in one transaction. This cuts down significantly on paperwork. It's easier to form and leverage a team. So a contractor, a broker, property manager, or other service trades, they'll really jump at the chance to have a multifamily property owner as their client. The most significant advantage of owning multifamily real estate is your ability to control the property's value, because commercial property is valued based on the amount of income it creates. So your rental income directly relates to the value of your property. Now, the biggest disadvantage to owning multifamily is that you have limited exits. Not just any old person on the street will be willing or even able to purchase the property. Your sale will likely be limited to other investors or even corporations. Another challenge to owning multifamily property is getting financing. It's likely you'll have to have partner investors to even finance the purchase who have experience. No matter how you look at it, though, it's pretty tough to become a millionaire off single family rentals alone. Multifamily investing is the key to really reaching that next tier of wealth, freedom, and experience. There's a few ways to do this, but the most common are called stacking and leverage. The gradual way to uplevel is to stack your real estate investments, which means you double the number of doors you purchase with each transaction. In stacking, you start with a single family home, and instead of purchasing another single family home, you buy a duplex, and then a quad, and then an eightplex, and so on. And in just 10 years, you'd own 31 units. The other option is to leverage your earnings from single family investments into a multifamily real estate syndication deal. You could save the rents or even just sell one of your single families and roll that money into a large multifamily group investment. Now, be sure to take a step back and really look at your own goals. Why are you even investing? Does it make sense for you to personally own and manage 31 doors? Or does it make more sense for you to be kind of hands off and not be a landlord? Any choice is a great one because you're choosing your personal, family, and financial goals over everything else, and you're using real estate investments to help you get there. If you're interested in learning more about syndications because the leverage route sounds interesting to you, please join the Steady Stream Investor crew using the link below. Thanks so much for watching, and please like and subscribe to get further content to your success.